Hello guys, today we learn more Splunk Basic. Uh, uh, in this in this video we learn Splunk user interface, basic about the Splunk user interfaces, search assistance, what is the search assistance, type of the assistance and use, and third one is search mode, how many search mode in the Splunk, and field type. So first open the Splunk that we installed in our previous video. Uh, this is a local host that 8000 is the port where we install this Splunk. Yeah. This is the Splunk home page. This is the Splunk logo. When we click in this, then this is the Splunk home tab. Splunk home tab. In this left hand side corner is the all app. This is the in the trial version is the by default given by the Splunk search and reporting app, and here we can add the more app. Actually, Splunk is the very customizing tool. We can integrate the multiple app that we learn in future video. So when click on this, there is a default application that is given by the Splunk by default, and if you some integrated file, we can integrate the app in the Splunk by these options are here that we learned in detail in the future video. Uh, Splunk already given the some paid application and some free application. uh, I give the some name like Splunk DB Connect, ServiceNow. That that app you connect to the other application. In this dropdown, this is the app dropdown where he manage the apps, find more apps, search and reporting app. If we go on the search and reporting app, this is the search and reporting app homepage. This is Splunk bar. Here is the current user. You can setting account setting in this account setting the um, because I am login as a administrator. Here you can give the email address, old password, set password, confirm password, message. Uh, there is a message if any maintenance. You can also give your maintenance message here. How to add that? That is given in the next video. Setting. Yeah, this is the uh, all Splunk instance menu where mounting console, knowledge object, system. This is the admin roles. You should know that in the data input related distributed environment. Splunk is a single instance. Yeah, otherwise in the distributed environment. A user and related to user and roles. This is the menu bar. Activity here. Every search is a job. So here we can, if you give any search, then you know that it is known as a jobs helps. So here I go for the search and reporting apps. This is a search app menu bar. This is about the overall uh, the search is user interface. I also yes, fine. Now my next is the search assistant. Yeah. Before going too deep in the Splunk, you should know about that search assistants. Search assistants in Splunk. What is the search assistants? Search assistance is a quick reference, means help. Uh, when you type anything in the search bar, then it populate the some search term command. It it is like a help. Search assistant have the two mode, compact mode and full mode. By default is the compact mode. Let I show you in Splunk. Okay, this is the search bar. Here the time frame. For the fast to the search, we should require the give the correct time frame. Then the search result come fast. Like if I search, sorry, yes, so we are here talking about the search assistant. Yeah, this. If I type error, then here the automatically pop up this window. This option for the beacon, if we can off this, yeah, beacon active the this search assistance. This time this is in the full mode. I already reset for the full mode. How to change the mode? If you go administrator preference, yeah, here the default setting time zone. You can set the time zone for the current user and home default application. You can search and reporting and other application when you integrated then all application here you can see that okay, time zone you can mention. Yeah, here we are talking about the search assistant, right? So you know there is a three mode: full, compact, none. Mainly we can say that a full two mode only, full and compact. But is the main difference between the full and compact? By default, the compact mode in the Splunk, you can go for the full and compact. When you type anything, that let's first set the compact mode. apply. Okay. Now, now in the compact mode, it is only showing that the my searching term that I already searches, and also if I type the this pipe in Splunk, pipe is connected to the two search string. These are the command. You want to learn about this is the description of the that search abstracts. This is the when I'm typing the pipe, then it's showing the command. This is the use of the search assistant. If I use the if I use the full search assistant mode, then you get the more detail about the my search term. If I paste there, then here chart, you can see what is the difference between full search assistant mode is the more descriptive and custom, and also it show the along with the number of count. This term in my event data index data is come the 4 times. If I type this come to a 25 times. This is the main difference between the full and compact mode. Compact full mode is more descriptive than compact mode, and also show the total number of the count of the search term. This is the main difference. Okay, let's enter here. This is a format timeline. If I give the this, you can time frame window set from here. You can time frame window by the this format timeline also. In this 1 hour, only one event is coming. Okay, yeah. So this is about the search assistant. My next topic is, yeah, that is difference. Full mode display the search term along with a count of how many times a term appear in the index data. Yeah. Now is the next topic in the mode, search mode. This is the very helpful when we search any apply to any search. This is the search mode. Here the three type of the search mode. By default is the smart mode, fast mode, and Verbose mode. Here the definition already given. Field discovery of for the event searches, no event or field data for the static search. Yeah, we can also more know that from this can emphasis. Fast mode is very fast as a name mention. Smart smart balance the speed and completeness. In Brosmet completeness, but it is the slow. Means that uh, when we search any term, then it show the all extract event data, not matter about the speed. How how we get the search result. When run with the event search, access to event view, yes. Field discovery on, no, yes, yes. Field sidebar exist. I will show you field sidebar also. No. Static visualization tab empty. In fast mode, there the two tab. right? Static and visualization. Here the smart mode, there is data is no data in this. If I select tab empty, no, yes, yeah, okay. In fast mode, sorry, ban run with the reporting a statical server, access to event view, no, in no in fast and smart, in Verbose, yes. Field description on, in both, no, yes. Default search mode, I already said. Smart is the smart is the default mode. Okay, so here, yeah. Next, we are we should know that the field, selected field, interesting field. By default, in the Splunk is the host, source, and source type is the default field, and internal field are uh, here you can see also in each event host, source, and source type is coming. In the internal there are two internal field, time and the row ra. These are the two internal field. What is the interesting field? When extract when we uploading the data, yeah, the data is coming from the external sources, then uh, Splunk showing as a interesting field that fi- field value have the more than 20% value in the event data, that it become as a here. You also say, thinking about that the what is the what the meaning of the this donation. A for string data, index is the string as a string data, and one is the number of the count of the this field value, and has represent to the numeric field. Numeric means date, time, yeah, any number. Okay, this is the value of the this. If you see that only one value for the line count, yeah. If you want to the this field as a selected, then you make this as a yes. Here you can see that if you select the no, then it come under the interesting field. Interesting field is uh, only that field that data is come as a 20% in the index data. Okay, if you use that, then click that, double click, then it automatically add to the your search bar. If you want to the extract the new field, then you can extract here, and these value is not more than 20%. For the extract the field, we use the regular expense, that is we also uh, discuss in the in future video. So we discuss here mode, yeah. This is a job. If you search the string, that it's make as a job setting. Okay, In add job setting, you should also know that the by default one search is for the in the Splunk for the 10 minute, but you can extend till 7 days. Here the permission for permission private and everyone. This is a very we should also know very know that know this. And yes, yeah, field. Selected field, default field, the host, source, and source type. Interesting field have the value over the this. Internal field, time and row, and all field. This is the all field. If you want to check the all field, and the all field. This is the more actually I give the some specific condition, right? If I enter, then you see the lot of field you can see. If I increase the time frame, then you get the more field. Yeah, this this search we can save as a report, dashboard, alert, and event type. I hope you get the knowledge about that Splunk user interfaces, search assistant, and search mode, and field type. Thank you guys. Uh, in next video, we learn more about the Splunk and how in next video we learn the how to type the this search bar, how to work that and all thing. Yeah, thank you guys for watch my video.